Hello, in this video we're going to have a look at what happens at Sydney University in the first week of semester 2. But first, something that many students say they cannot live without.
Hi, sorry. Good, thanks. I'll just get a cappuccino, large. Thank you very much. First day of new semester 2, 2018, and just got some free stuff. Walking through the O-Day, some drinks, chocolate, a book. It's awesome. Okay, so let's see what students are doing on the first day of second semester 2018. Let's go. Check out the library. Shh.
So that gives you a very small insight into what it's like for students in Australia at their first week of university.